YouTube? This is the Average American Guy, and today we got a great video coming up for you. I'm going to be top dressing my lawn, and I have a 3-step process that will get your lawn to the goals that you want it to be. So hold on real quick. So this 3-step process that can ensure the best results for top dressing your lawn. Step 1, you need to scalp the lawn. I'm scalping the lawn using the Tru-Cut series here. I normally cut it about 1/2 inch, and I'm going to take it down to pretty much dirt, or around 3/8 of an inch. Well, what is scalping? For those that don't know, when you scalp your lawn, you're taking basically all green new growth out of it, and you're taking some of this brown stalk all the way down to the dirt. That's what you're doing when you're scalping. So Bermuda is a really good grass to where if you scalp the lawn, it will ultimately recover. I wouldn't recommend doing this in August or July or some of the later warm seasons. I would only recommend to do it up to June. But you're basically removing all the brown stalk down all the way to the dirt level. So step 2, we're gonna top dress it. So we're gonna put that 50% organic material, 50% sand, and we are gonna put that down on the lawn at about 1.5 to 2 inches, okay? And then we're gonna drag it in. So the way we're gonna drag this in is actually this old shop floor drag system that we created here. It does the best leveling job that I've seen out of any leveling material. So top dressing is going to be very instrumental in getting a healthy Bermuda grass and lawn built up for the summer seasons. Last year I top dressed around March of last year, and that was to add really organic material. Because of the Georgia clay here, you want to add some organic material so the root systems for the Bermuda grass will grow. For here specifically, I have Tifway 419. It's a common Bermuda. For this year though, I really wanted to focus on leveling it so that I can use my reel mower and not have any scalping marks on it. And finally, step 3, we're going to fertilize the grass. So this is going to be a key part to ensuring your grass recovers from stressing it out by dragging it and by top dressing it. So the fertilizer I prefer is Milorganite. So it's a 640 or 640 NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. Milorganite is a great organic fertilizer that you can use primarily during the summer seasons because it will not burn your grass. That's why I like to do it. You can put this down pretty heavy. I have a 10,000 square foot yard, and I'm using 4 bags. Each bag covers around 2,500 square feet. So after the Milorganite's done, we're also going to put down Disease X, because we're coming into the season where diseases are going to start really growing into the lawn. So I'm just going to use the opportunity to treat the new grass and the dirt that we're putting over top of it. We're going to get started this week. You're going to see some time-lapse videos and stuff that I've cut in to show you how this work is going to be progressing, and I'll break in periodically throughout to show you exactly what we're doing. Saw halfway through I was cutting, and I decided to not bag the remaining mulch. The reason behind that, I came to think about it, and I was like, you know, hey, we put a lot of fertilizer down in the past 2 months, and the majority of stuff I was taking up was green. So I actually think it's going to be in the best interest of the grass to leave that organic material back in there when we top dress over it. It's not going to hurt anything. So that's all we have for the backyard. I'm going to show you guys the front. Today's the day. We're getting the top dressing delivered. Gonna start working on it here in a couple minutes. It looks like really good stuff, man. This is from Bricko Farms over here in Augusta, Georgia. "10 yards of dirt." So I realized that I didn't actually show you guys a close-up of what we got here. So this is the material that we're putting in the grass here. So it's 50% sand and 50% compost. So we are almost done here, so I just wanted to do a walkthrough of how we are slinging this dirt and kind of the system that we have set up here. So we're done with the backyard and we're working on the side yard now. If you look down at my feet, so this is about the depth that we are spreading it out at. So here in a couple minutes when we get done, we are going to take a drag system with the four-wheeler and drag this all into the ground. So this is where we got to. The whole front yard's done, except for this side part right here. And I got some great neighbors helping out. This is all we got left on the pile. You guys want to introduce yourselves? No?
No. What's up? The friendly neighborhood.
There you go.
Friendly neighbors.
The way we're doing this, we just take regular shovels here, grab a spoonful. Once you take it out, you sling it. Sort of like that. So like I said, there's about 1.5 to 2 inches of dirt across my yard right now. And then here in a minute, I'll show you how we're gonna drag it in. Thanks. That's it. This is the average American guy, and this is what we call lawn care NASCAR. So this is my first video on this channel, so do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe, please. There's a lot of content that's going to be coming out over the next couple months, and I want you guys to be a part of it, so thank you.